Hi there, my name is Z, and today we are going to do a review of the Sailebao tank V20. The whole package looks like this, and I purchased it from www.e-cig-electronica.ro. Once again, this is Sailebao V20, which I purchased from www.e-cig-electronica.ro. Now let's come closer and see what we got in the box. So this is Sailebao V20. We are going to unbox it now and see what we got inside. First of all, on this side it's written Sailebao V20 atomized 1 set. On this side you got the certificate, this is CA-SGS, and on this side you got the manual how to change the coil. So I'm not going to show it on video because on every box there is the instruction manual, so you are able to see it. Okay, when you unbox it, inside, as you all are able to see, this is a very similar package like V20. The tanks is similar to V20, and the position of the heating elements is also similar to V20. You got 3 different coils. One that is installed in the tank is 2.2 ohms, the upper one is 3 ohms, and the lower one is 2.5 ohms. So obviously this is not for ego batteries, this is something for, let's say, modes or the devices with variable voltage or variable wattage. And now I would like to show you the tank itself. Okay, I will show you the heating elements just for a moment. Alright, first the elements. They come very nicely packaged inside these silicone caps. All you need to do is get them out of the silicone cap. On the heating element, on the coil, is written the ohms, so you know what are you screwing on your tank and what is the ohms that you are vaping on. So it is very easy to replace the coil. We just need to open the top cap, unscrew this, screw the other one, and that's it. Okay, that was for the coils. Now the tank itself. The tank itself, it can hold up to 3.5 milliliters of e-liquid that is written on the tank itself. It got the tip. It is a little bit hard to get it out. This is the top cap, and I unscrewed the coil so you're able to see. Okay, this is the coil, this is the top cap with a tip. It's a little bit hard for me to remove it. Okay, doesn't matter. And this is the section for changing the coils and the tank for the liquid. Down here there is, this is ego cover. This is not 510. Okay, this is 510 inside, but this is ego cover, and I don't know, for me this is not for ego batteries, but there is ego cover. I'll try to screw it on, I don't know, on Joytech e-cig, but I got a problem because the top cap on the e-cig didn't fit. You will see it later. Okay, now let's put back the coil. Let's put some liquid inside and see how it works. Okay, for liquid, for filling it, it is very easy. This is 2mm silicone wick, so it got a better wicking and the proper. I didn't get any burnt taste at all. You were able to change it, rotate it. There is no leaking, as you are able to see. No bubbles, no air inside. See? And let's screw it on the device. And this was my problem. It won't fit on Zeljko e-cig with this ring. And one another thing, you're able to unscrew it and from the bottom, so you're for easier cleaning or replacing the coil. Now, for screwing it on a Zeljko e-cig, you need to remove this cover, and now you're able to screw it, because this is the ego cover on the tank itself. There is one air hole, so there is pretty good draw, tight one. The heating element inside is 2.2 ohms. So I'm going to vape it for about, I don't know, 7.5 watts. That is 4.6 volts. And now let's see how it vapes. So this is Zeljko e-cig, this is Sailebao V20. It looks a little bit ugly without the ring, but this is the only variable voltage and wattage that I have. Now I'm using the mechanical modes, so I'm not using Zeljko e-cig anymore. You're able to screw it on Ego T battery mode. It fits good. So this is Zeljko e-cig, this is Sailebao V20, and now let's vape it on 7.5 watts. Okay, 7.5 watts is, let's say, 4 volts. You're able to vape it on the higher voltages. If you want to vape it on, let's say, I don't know, 8, 9, 10 watts, just need to remove this heating element and switch it for, let's say, 2.5 ohms, or let's say 3 ohms if you like to vape it on higher voltages. As you're able to see, there is no burnt taste, the flavor is good, and the draw heat depends on the liquid that you are using. I've dropped my nicotine level in the liquids, and now I'm using 12 milligrams per milliliter. I'm very happy about it, and let's vape it one more time to see. I will drop it a little bit, let's say on 3.5 volts, that is 5.6 watts. Much better now. The flavor is also very good, and this is the 2.2 ohms. So, as you are able to see, the vapor production is very good, and I don't know, for you guys that you like to, if you like to use, let's say, Ego T or something, maybe that have only the Ego thread up there, if you don't mind to see this e-cig without the ring, it fits okay, it's good to vape it like this. Okay, this was Sailebao V20. I don't know how much versions of this they have, but this was V20, so thank you all for watching this and see you in another video. Bye!